Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 51. In this puzzle, we need to remove 4 matches to make 1. That's a very interesting little puzzle. Now, if you would like to solve this, you are invited to pause the video now and take as much time as you want to solve it. Now, I'm going to move on to the next slide to discuss the solution. So here's a hint. Remember, we have to remove 4 matches to make 1. Now I have 4 matches there which are a different colour. So that is giving you a hint as to which matches we might remove. So imagine in your mind that all those matches are removed, those 4 matches. What is left? Let's go to the next slide and see what is left when those 4 matches are removed. And we have O-N-E. That's O-N-E. Now how clever is that? It's a very interesting little puzzle, and if you understood what was required, you probably would have solved that. I hope you enjoyed it.